Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel an Amazon order using the Amazon website. First, go to the Amazon website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on Returns and Orders in the top right corner of the page. You can also hover over Account and Lists and then click Orders from the drop-down menu. On the Your Orders page, find the order you want to cancel. Next to the item, click on the option that says Cancel Items. On the next screen, Amazon may let you know that the cancellation isn't guaranteed, especially if the order is already being prepared for shipment. Still, continue by selecting a reason for canceling from the drop-down menu. After choosing a reason, click Cancel Selected Items in this order to submit your request. You'll then be taken to a confirmation screen, and Amazon will send you an email confirming that your cancellation request has been received. You'll receive another email once Amazon confirms whether the cancellation was successful. And that's how you cancel an Amazon order on the website. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.